How are y'all doing tonight?
What do you have to say?
We're cooking fish.
What was that?
We're cooking fish. That reminds me of the commentary from when we shot the turkey. What do you have to say, Ben? We just shot a turkey. What else do you have to say? I shot that fucking good.
I shot him in the anus.
Chip in the eye.
Stone truck driver for many years. Got a stone chip in my eye. Took away my driver's license. Best stone truck driver ever was. Ever will be too. Randy.
Freebird. 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 Freebird.
And so we shall go to war. Somebody get a straw quick.
Why?
You know. Do the juicy one after a 4-mile run.
Is this? Huh? Is this? Yeah, throw it in there. This fish are almost done.
Erection. It's a cooking show now. It's all about cooking shit.
And for this right here, we got some chicken.
We got some hands cooking in the pie pan. Look, it's real motherfucking too. We gotta go to school tomorrow. That don't motherfucking matter.
How we doing? Have a good day.
What do you do at 9:49 on a school night?
Cooking fish. Cooking fish with butter.
Cooking fish with the Crisco. Brought to you by Crisco.
Brought to you by Crisco. Brought to you by Crisco. Genuine cooking quality Crisco.
Nibble, nibble, nibble.
Never, never, never. Munch, munch, munch.
Bit of a shock if Shaquan dead.
A bit of a shock if Shaquan dead. Alright, those are done. Have you dead? Never, never, never.
Look like popcorn chicken.
Looks like good.
And I jizzed in my pants. Yeah, you get that plate, you plate bitch. Well, what was that?
My plate dance.
Close up of your face.
Okay. I don't know exactly how we're going to get all this out of here. Little by little.
One and a half. 1 and a half.
Okay, Stephen Miller.
Give me that motherfucker. Oh, baby. And I gotta get your reaction when you eat one. Okay, Stephen Miller. Dun, dun, dun.
By 10 o'clock? Okay, we're almost done scooping them. Almost.
5 minutes later, turd nuggets.
Wait, what was that?
5 minutes later, turd nuggets.
What was the first time that you did that? Get a life nerd, you are a turd nerd or something.
Get a life nerd, turd nugget.
You shaking?
Hmm?
You shaking?
He's been hitting the reefer pretty hard. He's high.
That's what it's from.
Balls deep in that turtle. And so, we shall go over there.
So we shall go to Walmart. It looks like a lot more on the frying pan.
Oh, I'll burn my fucking hand out.
Yeah, I'll wait 2 minutes. Not bad, not
Well,
bad.
Tony, what do you have to say for your first day of fishing and eating?
might not taping it. I need 5 minutes. Please give me that.
Well, that's it. Goodbye.